Here's how to fix NBA 2K27 network connection and online services errors, working through the most effective fixes in the right order. First, check the NBA 2K27 server status online before doing anything local. If servers are down, no fix on your end will help and you just need to wait. Once confirmed the servers are up, fully close NBA 2K27 and Steam from Task Manager. Then reopen both and relaunch the game. Restart your PC and your router as the next step. This clears temporary network states that cause false disconnection errors. Update Steam and NBA 2K27 to their latest versions since outdated clients cause online authentication failures. Then right-click NBA 2K27 in Steam, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files to repair any corrupted data. Disable any VPN or proxy. These frequently interfere with 2K's online services. Make sure Windows date and time are set correctly and synced automatically, since incorrect system time causes authentication errors. Open CMD as administrator and run ipconfig/flush DNS. If connection issues persist, change your DNS to Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 or Google 8.8.8.8 and restart your network adapter. Allow NBA 2K27 and Steam through Windows Firewall under Virus and Threat Protection settings. As a last resort, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, and click Network Reset, then restart your PC. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.